Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. We've got something super exciting to talk about LiveGood Supergreen. If you're looking to boost your health and energy levels naturally, you won't want to miss this. So, let's dive right in. So what exactly is LiveGood Supergreen? Well, it's a powerful blend of nutrient-dense superfoods designed to give you a daily dose of greens in a convenient, tasty powder. Packed with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and phytonutrients, it's like a health powerhouse in every scoop. The ingredients include spirulina, chlorella, wheatgrass, and barley grass, all known for their incredible health benefits. Now, let's talk about the benefits. Why should you consider adding LiveGood Supergreen to your daily routine? Boosts energy levels. The natural nutrients provide a clean energy boost without the crash. 1. Supports digestion. The fiber and enzymes help promote a healthy digestive system. 2. Detoxifies the body. Powerful antioxidants help cleanse and detoxify your body. 3. Enhances immunity. Vitamins and minerals strengthen your immune system, keeping you healthier. 4. Improves skin health. The phytonutrients and antioxidants support glowing, healthy skin. Let's take a closer look at some of these amazing ingredients. 1. Spirulina. This blue-green algae is rich in protein, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It's known for boosting energy, supporting the immune system, and improving cardiovascular health. 2. Chlorella. Another type of algae. Chlorella is packed with chlorophyll, which helps detoxify the body and supports healthy digestion. 3. Wheatgrass. High in vitamins A, C, and E. Wheatgrass is great for boosting immunity and detoxifying the body. It's also a fantastic source of antioxidants. 4. Barley grass. Loaded with vitamins, minerals, and enzymes. Barley grass supports digestion, detoxification, and overall health. How to use Supergreen. So, how do you use LiveGood Supergreen? It's super simple. Just take 1 scoop of the powder and mix it with water, juice, or your favorite smoothie. It's perfect for a quick morning boost or a midday pick-me-up. Personally, I love adding it to my morning smoothie. It gives me that extra kick to start the day off right. I know you might have some questions about LiveGood Supergreen, so let's tackle a few frequently asked questions. Question 1. Is it safe for everyone to use? Yes, LiveGood Supergreen is made from natural ingredients and is generally safe for everyone. However, if you have specific health conditions or concerns, it's always best to consult with your healthcare provider. Question 2. Can I take it every day? Absolutely. In fact, daily use is recommended to maximize the health benefits. Question 3. Does it taste good? Yes, it has a mild, pleasant taste that blends well with smoothies and juices. There you have it, folks. LiveGood Supergreen is a game changer for anyone looking to enhance their health and wellness. If you're ready to give it a try, check out the link in the description below for more information and to get your own. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest health tips and product reviews. Thanks for watching and stay healthy.